said, I got these loose so you don't have to listen to more banging. Some string caught around there. This one didn't. So now I saved you all the banging of loosening these up. So I'm going to show you how we do this. This is very simple. You grab these really carefully because, as you can tell, when they get damaged, they are razor sharp. They will slice you open like a razor. This is razor sharp right here. A new blade. That's what we have now. So you got your splines all lined up. Okay, that's good. Put this piece of wood over here. When the blade comes around, it's going to hammer that piece of wood into that corner. View what's going on there, and you'll see what I mean. The blade is up against that. Now it's going to get hammered up into that corner. Just tighten this up. And I like to put my arm against this wood and hold the wrench. That way, if the wood does start to move and fall out of the way, you can catch it. Need to wail on this. Let the weight of the hammer do the work for you. This one feels good. This is all crap that was wrapped around the nuts. Definitely don't want a bunch of crap wrapped around your nuts. They kept going, and that destroyed the bearing. You have to replace that. First thing you got to do there is you got 4 of these. You got to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the top there's a shroud you got to pull off. They sometimes start a little hard because they got dirt on the other side, so you may have to work them back and forth a little. This is a big deal on a Cub Cadet. You usually have to replace these every couple years. This one's broken. They hit something really hard. They really whacked it good. They whacked it good. It takes a lot to break heavy cast metal. Alright, when we get it out on the other side, I'll show you what I mean. There's a little shroud here that covers the pulley. Got 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's one. Yeah, this thing impacted something really hard. Either a concrete block or a massive root. Okay, now you can take that and then just spin it around like that. You don't have to take the third bolt out. Okay, that's where you'll run into all the crap. And just take the belt, move it aside. A little help from old Woody. Woody works every time. As you can see, it's quite an impact. This is not spinning too easily, so we're going to replace it. Got a couple of them started from the other side. That way it can't fall out of position. There's the original bolts. It comes with new ones, but they're not as good. They're not as good a quality. blade back on. Beautiful. That's the way it's supposed to spin. This one's still good. Okay.